Hi, my name is Matt Whistle. I'm the manager of the Spindle Repair Department. We fall under the umbrella as the Empower Complete Customer Care, and I'm going to give everyone a brief tour. So behind me is where everything starts. We receive all the goods in. We go through them depending on what we need. Behind you is our core rack. We roughly have 900 spindles back there. Front of the rack, we have 300 jobs in process, and those jobs are clean, ready to go, parts ordered. At any given time, we can get those in process. So currently, this is what kind of separates us from the rest of the groups, the OEMs, all of our competitors. Is not a lot of people have this many jobs in process, or the core is behind us. A core is when you buy a spindle from our parts department and you send the core back, you get 30% core credit. If you buy a new spindle from us, you get a 15% core credit. Every spindle you see in front of you is a spindle that's ready to go, and that's kind of what meets the demand of the 95% same-day stock. At any given time, we can pull one of these spindles down, start working on it, get it in process, and get it in stock. We promise a 3 to 5 day turnaround and a 24-hour turnaround on all of our quotes. The next area you're going to see is where we tear all the parts down. We go through them, we throw out all the consumables, we do not reuse bearings, O-rings, seals. We figure out what parts we need to reuse, and we figure out what parts we need to replace. We build all of our repair spindles back to OEM specifications. So we use factory bearings, we use factory inspection sheets, check sheets. Our rebuild spindles must meet or exceed a new spindle that is produced here. Behind you, we have 4 ultrasonic tanks. We have our own paint booth. We do everything here from start to finish. The next area we're going to go to is our small and large balancers. With our new balancer, our larger balancer, we can balance any spindle now that this company makes. The next is our small machine area. We have a small lathe. We have a small service grinder. We do repair spindles. We do repair stators. We can chrome spindles if need be. We can repair most spindles. The next area you're going to go to is our parts cage. There's roughly $6 million in parts in this cage and about 5,000 parts at any given time. This is kind of what sets us apart from our competition, is no one in the industry has this much inventory on hand for spindles. This is what guarantees a 95% same day stock. Going a little further down is where all the spindles are built. This area is enclosed. It's separated from the dirty area. And each guy has his own bench, each guy has his own computer, each guy has his own monitor. Each guy is in charge of several different spindles. And at any given time, they could be working on a customer job, a stock job, a little bit of everything here. The next room we'll be going into is where all the spindles are tested at. And this is also a big deal to us. Our goal here is to replicate what you have in your facility. So we have smooth controls, we have matrix controls, we have smart controls, we have M640s, a little bit of everything. All test stands run off mechanically, electrically, and hydraulically. They're set up on bearing temperature sensors and vibration monitors, so if there is any issues, these stands will shut themselves down. All spindles get roughly 8 to 12 hour run time. A final inspection. Once it's all good, we get it down to our shipping department. We get it boxed up and out the door and out to the customer.